Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Rhebhecz. Today is November 9, 2024. So it's already 7 a.m. We arrived here in the mountain and mas may corn, guys. Mga apply mi diri. We will apply to harvest a corn. Ready na ang kalo. Yan. Sanggot. So, mag-harvest pa. We will harvest. Mag-apply mi sa kong sisters. Ayan, that's ready to harvest. Look at that. So, we will cut that one and put under the mango tree. So, ang mga fruits, ang mga kuan guys, corn, ibutang nga siya sa landahan. We will put that one over there. So, 7 in the morning and it's already sunny. Yan. Good morning. Init karon, so it's good weather. We will start. We just arrived and we will start. We will eat breakfast later. So, start where? This side. Yan si Dongnyaw, guys. Putol na siya. Si Papa Ray magkuan. Maglingkod na lang siya sa ilalom sa mangga. Mura bitaw gyapon. Oh, cut. Dili ituod jud kayo nang. Na. Ako gituod man kay para. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Dito guys.
Mag-harvest na. Yan. Wala, mga apply mi. Kay wala na mi kuha na ni mga apply, watay sweldo. Mga apply tara makasweldo ta. Lupigan ko ni Dongnyaw guys, paspas kay Dongnyaw. Dongnyaw, anad na siya trabaho. Yan. Ako ani Sleeping Beauty man ko ani guys. Bata pa ko Sleeping Beauty. Yan si father. Taran! Taran, taran. Yan. So after last na tong harvest no mga 1990s 1990s pa may naka-experience og harvest of corn guys. And then now nag-help ni karon. Yan. Taran. So let's continue. Napako diri. Oh, diri pa ko dapita. Look at that. See, nahawa na din siya. 20 minutes. Taran. Taran. Look at the corn. Kasulo ni father sa kuan. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Ayan. Dili humay na ani ding humay mais mo ay. Dipotol gina di gina mahumay. Oh, di ba? Cutting the corn like that. Hoy, tuod. Ayo tuora nang. Kay mas tip ta na. Yan ubog. Father. Hawan. Hawan na. Hawan.
Harvesting palay.
Palay. Guys, rescue. Atong nawong we will cover our face. It's so hot. Not yet 8 a.m. Nice, iwanang. Okay ra, pikas aping ra ko ah. Gdungin ako. Korean. Mataray. Mataray tabo. Oh, ako ah. Rescue tong kalo. Kay it's so sunny. Nice weather. Thanks God. Very nice weather. Yeah. Father continue to getting the corn. So, little bit na lang guys. 48 minutes pa lang oh. Diba? Look at the coconut trees. The sky, it's so blue. Very blue sky. Yeah, let's continue working. Bye. See you later. Time check. 8:02 in the morning. So 1 hour na mi guys. Naka 1 hour na minidangin na. Yan oh. Oh, diba? Lampas nas katunga. This is our life. When we're children, we have corn,
Study
guys. Study hard.
Students study hard.
No, when we're children, we have corn plant. So we know about corn, guys. My sister and my mother apply also harvesting corn in our neighbor land long time ago. So, yeah. So that's 1997. 1995. Imagine that. After many years, many decades. 2024 na guys. Yan. This is not our land here. So it's very grassy. So it's better to plant a corn. Right? It's like that oh, forest. Long time ago. Yan. Forest. Kamay na lang. 1 hour na. We will eat breakfast. Because we work not yet eating breakfast. So we will eat now. We will go there eating chicken. Hello. Let's go na now. Mahaw na ta. Unsa tiwaso na alas 8 ra. 1 hour. Humagkaon. Balik na punta. We will eat first. So that we have energy. Energy. FM. Yan. Yan daw mang lamisa. Look at that guy. Bringing my boats. Look. See? Because it's always raining here daw. So, I bring my boats and long sleeve. Yeah, my mother's calling na. Mamahaw! Mamahaw sa tapader. Oh, look at that. Yan. Yan. Ah, diba? Papa. Di, iyon, hakuto na pa. Imo nga naon ra? Iyon nga naon? Yan guys. Thanks God. Anay ko. Mahaw na. We already agreed that 1 hour only and then we will eat, and then after eating we will go back. So that's the update. Bye ko po. Yeah. Ang parking. Yan ang landahan guys. Oh. To cook the coconut. Ayan. So the other corn is already here. And this is the underground that I told you. Underground. Sorry, pag-abre. Walay klaro. Walay ganun. Yan. I have done. Tara! Oh, may corn dairy guys. Ayan. So So to cook the rice here. Ano to cook the rice? To cook the coconut here. Yan ang kanaka guys. The coconut. So mag-copra. If parents doing a copra guys. So my father storing woods here. If ever rainy, always raining, there's a firewood. My 2 dogs here. There are 2 dogs. Mga isog kay mata. Takay! For firewood. Oh, lagbati din na dira. Uy! Ayan. Look at the dwarf coconut that I planted here. That's mine. That's mine. Lunginaw na natin guys. So, the corn over there, wala na. No more corn over there na. Ikaw na guys. So that's that date. Lang ako. Exercise. Hoy, let's eat na. Kaya nilandong na. May meron palang ano dyan oh guys, solar basketball. Look at the chestnut here. Ayan, dapat akong chestnut. Rambutan ni mother. Chestnut tree. The water will block out. There's a tank. So yan ang badge motor ni my father. Yan. Si mother is the one who cook. She's the cooker. So she's cooking for breakfast. Loto na. Loto na. Atindera. Kusinira. Yan si mother. Si mother ang cooker. So, look. This one guys. Mansinitas. Nice tree. Dongi is rare. Where's Dongi? Yan. So we will eat na guys. Breakfast time. May basoy kami guys. Cook na si mother. Let's eat breakfast. So guys, magsugod na po ni. We will start 9 AM. We're done eating breakfast. And we start 9 AM. Kanina 7 to 8. Now 9. So that's corn left. Yan. Cover na ako ginani guys. So, kay sunny na. It's sunny time. Pero naglandong siya ay nilagong. Yan. Gamit kayo ay. My sister hat. Very useful. So, let's continue. We will ano pa this one guys. We will carry that under the good tree. Oh, it's good. Not that very sunny. So, i-open na lang sa nako. Like that na lang sa nako guys. We have cold and cough, so still doing this one. Let's work. Wala naman siya. Init. Tabon pa sa like this guys, like this how this again. Need to cut the body.
Kabuutan kaswerte kay sa bana ani ba?
I'm wanted akong bana ni tigputo lumais. Kaya ang mabana, kabalo.
Muputulog mais.
Kung man namin igdongin na, we're finished.
Yes.
1 hour and 23 minutes.
Second batch, no? Second batch.
Second batch of harvest nilang parents. So, they are planning to clean this one. They are the one to clean. They are the one to clean this. Ayan. So, si Doggy now, mag-carry. O, bugat ra kay na nang. Gamayon ra. Ang imong nawong. Ano na guys. Inana na siya. Yan yung mga mag-single mom ta. Mga single. See, we're done. We're finished. Ayan. Putting like that. Oh, diba? Here is cassava. Cassava, it's growing. Si mother, guys. Nag-clean siya dito sa under mango tree. Ayan. Magdala ko ako kamanting, ma. Na, lungago na ko. Isa ka buok. Isa ra ka buok. Where's Dongi? Unsa na imong gikuan diha? San na lansones? Lansones, no? Si mother, guys. Gidritso na nimo sa sako day, ma?
Pag imong
Shout out, mother.
Sundang nimo.
Ito sa kahoy. Shut
Shut up.
Shut up. Ayan. That's all. Thank you so much for the nice weather. Thank you. It's not raining. And still 9:23. 9:30 na guys. Ayun na. Paanat dong inaw. Hindi nga mayara na. Mabughat ka na.
Caltrit ko.
Caltrit. Caltrit plus. Mag-caltrit na. Mana, ara ka sa sagbutan, ma. Basi na ikuan dira. Yato rin. Sagbut man na diha, ma.
Dili may jibilina ni.
Dili ba? Kanang daan na ba? Dangi, where's your pet? Come here.
Sarungan kugos. Sarungan kugos, day.
Go, Dongi now. Go. It covers imong nawong, kaya ron di maigo imong kuanang. Kabiran to imong nawong sa kuanong. Okay. Masamad anong kuan sa mais ba? Oh, diba? Ganyan ang buhay. Tara. Heavy or not? Not so heavy?
Not so heavy.
Uy, mayuhag kay na imong jacket. Timing kay na da. Timing kay sa pag-aswat. Oh, it's dark sky. You need to hurry up because the river will flood. Magbaha, guys. You cannot pass the spillway if there's a... Ha? Sakto po sa kasakong mais. It's already 12:06 in the afternoon, guys. We already finished. We're done. Yeah, look at that. So, already bring it over there. Yan si mother, guys. Finish na. Look at the cup. Hi, cow. Oh. Ano siya sungay, guys. Oh, oh, di ba? Wow. Daghan ng para tulahon. Tulahon. Uy. Whole chicken. One roaster. May eggs pa, guys. Yan si mother. Mother chicken. Diyan. Guys, mga yun na sila pagkaon. Gigutom na. O, klaro kayo. Tara. Yan si Banta. Oh, another mother chicken. Oh. Uy, 2 p.m. They're still laying. Yan. Oh, 1 egg. Uy, wala ko dalang food. 2 p.m. pa. Ay, another si mother chicken. Uy, sorry. Yan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Spotted. Spotted si another mother chicken. Hello. Yan. So, 4 mother chicken. Yan, guys. So, still 2:38 in the afternoon here. It's still sunny. Still good weather. It's nice. Oops! How are you, Kansa? Hello. Hala. Ikaw ha? Ha? Ah, ikaw ha? 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 Ikaw ha? Oh. Hala ka. Hello guys.